In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your video in Google Vids, a straightforward, often necessary step in managing your digital assets for work, education, or personal use. Whether you're tidying up your project files or preparing your video for a presentation, renaming a video can help keep your projects organized and easily identifiable. So, if you're ready to learn, grab your computer or device and let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to head over to Google Vids. This platform is part of the Google Workspace, an intuitive suite of tools designed to streamline your work and creativity. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Vids or simply search for it online. Once you arrive at the home page, you're at the starting block, ready to sprint into action. The next step is to click on the Sign In button. Typically, you'll find this option at the top right corner of the page. It's your gateway to accessing all your Google services, including Google Vids. Clicking this will prompt a sign-in page to appear, where you'll proceed to enter your credentials, but if your browser remembers you, it might just fast forward through this step. Upon entering your Google credentials, you'll be asked to select your Google account. This step is particularly crucial if you, like many of us, juggle between multiple Google accounts for different aspects of your life, be it personal, work or school. Choose the account under which your desired video is stored. This selection will navigate you straight to your Google Vids dashboard where your video projects are neatly tucked away. Now, navigating through your dashboard, locate the name of your video project. You'll typically find this at the top left of your screen, a simple label that, for now, doesn't quite fit the bill. This label is more than just a name, it's the key to finding and organizing your work effectively. Whether it's a project in progress or a completed masterpiece, the right name can make all the difference. Click on the name of your video project. This action makes the name editable, ready for your creative input. Carefully type in the new name you've chosen for your video. This might sound simple, but choosing a clear, concise, and descriptive name is an art in itself. It should give you and others a quick overview of the video's content, purpose, or the context in which it was created. Finally, once you've christened your video with its new name, click anywhere outside the name box. This action triggers an autosave feature, a small but mighty detail ensuring your changes won't be lost. Google Vids automatically saves the new name you've entered, sealing your organizational efforts with a flourish. And just like that, you've successfully renamed your video in Google Vids. It's as simple as that, yet it's a fundamental skill in managing your digital workspace effectively. Your newly named video is now ready to be shared, presented, or further edited, all under a name that ideally suits its content and purpose. Remember, keeping your digital workspace organized is key to efficient work habits, and renaming your videos is a big part of that. It not only helps you, but also your team members or classmates to find exactly what they're looking for without a hassle. That wraps up our tutorial for today. By following these steps, you've taken one more step toward mastering Google Vids and keeping your video projects in tip-top shape. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these small tips can make a big difference in your workflow. So go ahead, rename those video projects and make your Google Vids space a testament to your organizational skills. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has been helpful, and if it has, consider exploring more of our tutorials to further hone your digital skills. Happy organizing and see you next time.